up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. I'm headed over to a car meet. We just got here, you guys, and Spencer's whip is so nice right now. The amount of work they did is insane. Look at this. Look how clean this is. Look, it's a mirror, you guys. Those wheels are badass. Valvetronic. Damn, it looks like a mirror, you guys. No bullshit. I'm not lying, it's a mirror. He's getting a new lens for the headlights too, so. And he's gonna do the DTM angels. It's gonna look nice. I'm gonna check out this. This looks like Spencer's number 2. It's pretty nice. Oh man, yo, you guys know I'm trying to build one of these. See, this is an M2. It's nice and wide. Look at the quarter panels, everything. They look good. He's got boomies, Valvetronic. It's looking nice. So originally I want to buy a 2 Series, do a wide body kit on it, and I want to run F10 drivetrain on it, M5. Got some loud ones pulling up. What's up, Chris? What's up, bro? How you doing? You made it. I'm good, brother. That Porsche is pretty badass too. Alright guys, I had to get this one. Really nice, bro. Really nice. Oh my god. Wide body too? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this is really nice, you guys. Alright guys, we just got to the location. It's so many cars here. I think second floor is full too, and we're about to go up there. I'll show you guys all the cars. I put my license plate on in the front. It looks so ugly, but I ended up doing it. I didn't want to get pulled over for it. Real Corvette. Oh, look at the Porsche. Alright, we're going up, guys. I'm either gonna be surprised or I'm gonna be scared. I don't know what's up there, so we'll see. Oh my god. I told you either I was gonna be surprised or scared. I'm extremely surprised. There's like 100,000 people here. And all I see is wide body, so perfect scene for me, guys. Damn, that's nice. Look at this. Real nice. I don't know where to start, you guys. Look at this vet. It's a ZR1. Damn, it's a real one, you guys. Look at this thing. Damn, that's wet. Look at the carbon ceramic. This is really nice, you guys. Nice GTR right here. The 430, looking good. Got carbon ceramics. Looks good. M4. Oh man, look at this McLaren, you guys. Nice highlighter. Very nice, bro.
Thank you.
Very nice. Man, look at this thing, bro. This thing is so nice, you guys. Yeah. You know what that means. Z51 right here. The HREs are so wet. Damn, Miami blue. I wish I came up here early. I would have parked next to this B right here. It's the same thing like mine. HREs. It's gonna be nice, you guys. Look at these Lambo doors. Borla exhaust. Damn, look at this game. This is the real Bumblebee right here, Transformer status. But this one's wide body, you guys. I love it. Well, this is unique. Look at this. This is wide bodied out crazy. Wow. Looks so nice, you guys. It's like a red carbon fiber. It's pretty nice. Or orange, I guess. Yeah, it's orange. Same right here, nice Zeo. This is epic. Huge. It's the Mustang crew right here. Damn, this is real. You can tell it's put in use. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. These colors are really nice too. Nice ZL1, man. I love the way these whine. That says. Damn, a lot of ZL6s, bro. They're so nice. Look at those Challengers. That purple one looks real nice. That thing is bad. Look at that thing. Ventador, you guys. Sheesh. SB2. Wow. This thing is really nice. That's nice. Laguna Seca blue. Looks good. Supra, you guys, right next to the RX-7. Hella nice. There's another Supra right here. Oh, looks good. Going on right there, but that's nice. You can do it, do it. There's AC Cobra, you guys. Damn. Wow, look at the exhaust. Really nice. You guys, there's so many cars here. I'm on row number 2 right now, and there's so many cars, different kinds, and like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know half of these are. No, I lie. I know half, at least half. 70-80%, but still, there's some stuff I don't know what the hell they are. They're really nice builds. Wow, look at this thing, you guys. That thing is slim. Wow. More Corvettes, old school. Oh man. It's a nice build right there. That's a nice hot rod right here. Wow. Chop top too. Silverstone right here. Nice E90 M3. It's on TEs. Nice. Look at this thing. It's pretty nice. Yo, this is a real one. Everyone knows what this is. When you see that, interior has that. That's factory. That's stock. It's got a roll cage matching the wheels and the wing. You should know what that is. Yes. Look at those taillights. Oh my god. This thing is so nice, you guys. This is probably the second one I've seen in person. They're really rare. Nice GTS. You guys, I love Vipers. Damn. Look at this thing. Man. Look at this, you guys. That looks like snakeskin. That's awesome. Alright, you know I gotta do this. Damn, 355. Oh my god. It's a real ACR too, so it looks really good. Majority of them is American Muscle, so from like old school to the newest stuff, you guys. A lot of ZL1s. They look so good. Man, look at this thing. Wow. That's a really nice Challenger, you guys. Man, look at this ZR1. That's another one. That's amazing. You never see two in a row. Ever. Look at this wing. Wow. That's nice. Color is so nice, you guys. Damn, you guys. Look at this McLaren. This thing is so mad nice. 255s in the front. Flat black. Damn. Look at that concave.
Yeah, the whole thing was built around this.
This is so big. There's a motorcycle section too, you guys. So badass. And another one. These Corvettes are loaded here. Wow, look at this thing, you guys. This is a 488. Wow, this thing is so nice, you guys. Look at that. It's a 488 Pista. Damn. Look at this thing, you guys. It's so nice. Is that a Lime Rock? No, you can't be. You have 2 doors extra. It's a wrap. Looks good though. Never seen it on a 4-door. This M4 is nice. It's that Austin yellow color. It's a flat gray paint job. Or a wrap, I don't know. Looks good though, it's got metallic flakes. This is the M zone right here. Good. Man, this M2 is so nice. It's like chalk white or pearl. Looks good. E46, E92, E92. The huge Mustang crew. They look so badass, you guys. It's like 2 full rows of Mustang every year almost, man. Look, AMG GT. You guys know how much I love this car. Oh man, it's an R2. No, you didn't. Yeah, he did. good. Man, look at that Hellcat next to it. That color is so nice. It's Mustangs, you guys. This wrap's pretty cool. You guys remember my Cobra? I had a black one. Mine was convertible though. It was really nice though. Another one. This is just the regular one though. It's not the R. You can tell. Completely different game. Alright guys. This is Yas Marina Blue right here. All my life, this is what I like. This is what I wanted until I saw the Miami Blue in this car. Oh man, not the Laguna Seca, the Miami Blue. Look it up. Just go look up a M4 or M3. Miami Blue, you'll understand what I'm saying. It's amazing. This color is so nice, by the way. Look at this Viper, you guys. I believe it's a GTS. Yeah, definitely a GTS, yeah. This thing is like all original. Look at this thing, man. Fully built Z. Looks really good. I don't know if anybody seen my mess up, but I wrecked one of these. It wasn't my fault. I was drifting and the wheel came off. So yeah, I wrecked it. This is a really nice Z though. T-top, you guys. The color is amazing. Flat black, never thought of it. Look at the Corvette too. C8 right there. NPR guys, looks good, but damn, look at this wide body. M4. Damn, look at this thing. Wow. These TEs are really popular, Volks. Man, carboned out everything. Wide body kit, you guys. So nice. You know what's crazy? I don't know if that's a Pandem kit or not, but there's the Liberty Walk version right here. Holy moly. It's got a CS hood. Look how wide this thing is, you guys. Damn, on BBS's. Red guts. Damn, this thing is nice. Look at this Liberty Walk stand 4. Very nice. Here goes another one. Here goes another wide body. Look at the hyper shifting color. Wow. Guys, it took me like an hour. Literally to walk 8 lanes or whatever you want to call it, and there's so many nice cars. Look at this. Look at this wide body kit. It's a C5 Corvette. It's not even a Zio, but it looks freaking badass. Damn. So wide, oh my god. I love it. Look at this thing. It's all molded in too. One piece. Hope you guys like it. This was the reveal. I love it. So it's cool. Color Key West blue pops, you guys. Damn, army tricks. Yo, look at this thing. Man, this thing is so nice. It's got the same setup as mine. Wow. Look at that blow-off valve. It's got that bamboo beige interior. I used to have that in my old one. And it's manual, nice. Alright guys. So man, this is a big meet. Everybody's pretty much leaving now, so not a lot of people are really staying, but I finally got to come up to the first floor and open up my hood, and a lot of people like the supercharger, so it's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. We're probably gonna head out, hit the PCH, drive around, go back to the valley where we stay at, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.